Hello kids, look at this. Here you have to color the pictures that begin with the sound of the letter W, which is the sound W, W, W. ¿Ok? Acá lo que tienen que hacer es pintar las imágenes que empiecen con el sonido de la letra W, que es el sonido W, W, W. ¿Ok? Great. Window, window, window. Walrus, walrus, walrus. In Spanish, walrus means morsa. Cap, cap, cap. Goat, goat, goat. Watermelon, watermelon, watermelon. Watermelon in Spanish means sandía. Nuts, nuts, nuts. Excellent kids, very good.